Bismillah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. May peace be upon you all. Welcome back to my channel, everybody. Happy Wednesday. This is going to be a what I got from Walgreens haul. So let's begin. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The first thing I got was the Slim Fast Original Protein Powder in the flavor Rich Chocolate Royal. It's a meal replacement shake. If you watched my video yesterday, you would have seen that I'm on the Slim Fast plan. So I will use this as meals, as a supplement, inshallah. So this is a Slim Fast Original, 10 grams of protein in the Rich Chocolate Royal. It's a meal shake. The next thing I got, which fell on the floor, are the couple of different protein bars. I want to supplement these two as well as the shakes, just in case I get a little hungry or for a snack. So the first kind I got are the Think Thin High Protein Bars, 0 sugar, gluten-free. So I never had these before, so I figured let's try them out. That was the first kind. Again, the same brand, Think Thin High Protein Bars. Also, the Think Thin Salted Caramel Bars. And again, Luna Protein Bars in the chocolate chip cookie dough. Again. Again. Some fudge brownie mix by Betty Crocker. Inshallah, I will make some videos on how to make brownies in the microwave. Some semi-sweet Nestle chocolate chip morsels. I got some more Blistick in the Hydrate Mixed Medicated Berry SPS 50. I love this stuff, and my lips have been really chapped, so inshallah, hopefully this helps. and some rich and creamy vanilla frosting. Inshallah, you know what? Let's make the brownie now. So, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. You guys down for a second? I'll be right back, inshallah. Alright, so what we need for the fudge brownie in the microwave is you're going to need, this will work with cake mix too. You could use any kind of cake mix in the microwave. So basically what you need is you need some Betty Crocker fudge brownie mix. You need chocolate chips. If you want, you could add chocolate chips. And basically, you need some water. So, let me show you how I make mine. So what you guys are going to do is you're going to take So what you're going to do is you're going to take your brownie mix and you're going to add about 2 teaspoons of the brownie mix into the bowl or whatever vessel you're making. Next thing, what you're gonna need is you're gonna need some water until you form a batter. But you want to be careful when you add the water, because if you add too much, it's going to be very soupy and it's going to take longer to cook in the microwave. You want it to be just like batter, you know? Cake batter, brownie batter. It's the same thing with the cake batter. If you add too much, it's going to not cook in the microwave well. This is what you want it to look like. Nice and thick. Next thing, you can add whatever you like. I'm gonna choose to add in some chocolate chips. Okay. I'm gonna choose to add in some chocolate chips, but you can add whatever you like. It's your brownie, it's your preference. Give it a stir. Okay, this is the time that you have to mix the brownie. If you don't mix it well, it's gonna be all disgusting and it's not gonna taste very good. So next, final step is we're gonna put it in the microwave, uncovered, for 1 minute. This method also works with cookies too. If you put cookie dough, not the powdered stuff, the store-bought refrigerated cookie dough, the ones that you get in the cookie section, if you put that, if you put cake mix, you see 7 minutes left, seconds left. Perfect. After 1 minute in the microwave, this is what it comes out as. Now you can add frosting on top. I'm going to choose to add a little bit of frosting. or you can just eat it straight like this. So let's add some frosting and then I'll show you guys. This is what it looks like. I hope everybody has a blessed day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. May peace be upon you all. Have a great day, everybody. See you guys in my next video, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.